Hello, my dear students. Today's topic is how do we find each angle, that is, each interior angle of any regular polygon. There are many conditions to find each angle in any polygon. The first condition we are taking here is of regular polygon. If there is a regular polygon, we have to find each angle. What do we do? Let's start. First of all, I am giving you one example. Just imagine I got the same amount from my mother, from my father, and from my brother. The amount is same, they have told me, and the total amount I got from all these three is 108 rupees. So now they are asking how much each one of us given you. So what do I do? Think. If I know the total amount and I know all three has given same amount, and I also know that if I want to find one commodity out of three, if all are same, what do? I'll divide 108 by 3 because all are given same amount. So what do? I'll divide 108 rupees by 3 to divide it equally between 3. Yes, if I divide it, what do I get? 3 3s are 9 and 3 6 are 18. It means 36 rupees I got from my mother, from my father, and from my brother. But condition was I got same amount from all. Yes, the same will be happen here because regular means each sides equal. AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to CD, equal to DE, equal to EF, and equal to AF. This is the main thing of any regular polygon. Yes? Now, first of all, if we want to find each angle, we must have total number of angle, total sum of all angles. So we know if we want to find sum of all interior angles, what do I know? N minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. This is the formula to find sum of interior angles in a polygon. Yes, and where n is a number of sides. So how many sides I am having in this figure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So 6 number of sides minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. So when I minus 6 minus 2, I'll got 4 multiplied by 180 degree. What do I get? Tell me. Let us multiply. 720 degree. This is the total number. The sum of all interior angles is 720. So this is the total amount. Now I want to find each angle. So how do I get? I'll write each angle measurement will be total of angles divided by number of angles. This will happen only when, because this is a regular polygon. This is the main condition why we are applying this rule. Total is 720 degrees divided by how many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Divided by 6 angles. What do I get? 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, and 6 zeros are 0. Means each angle is of 120 degrees. 120 degrees is measurement of each angle. And we know where there are number of angles and number of sides are 6, this is called hexagon. Yes? Okay. This was the concept. Let us take one example. Yes? If there are many regular polygons and I am taking where let us take decagon. Yes, 10-sided polygon. That is regular. If now we are going to find out each angle of a decagon, that is 10-sided regular polygon. So first of all, we must know the total sum of decagon. So n minus 2, first of all we will find the total sum of interior angles. Sum of interior angles we know. How do we find? Number of sides are 10 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. When we minus it, we'll get 8 multiplied by 180 degrees. What do I get? Let us multiply. Yes, 0, 8 8s are 64, 4, 6 carry, 8 1s are 8 and 6, 14, 140 degrees. This is the total sum of interior angles. Sum of all interior angles is 1440. Now to find measurement of each angle. If the polygon is regular, then what is the formula? Just divide the total sum by number of angles. This is the sum of all angles, and now each angle. One angle. If there are 10 sides, then angles will be 10. So each angle will be 144 degrees. Okay, let us take example, any other example. If we have to find each angle in 12-sided regular polygon. If we have to find 12-sided regular polygon each angle, so first of all we need sum of all angles will be n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. It will be sum of all sides are 12, 12 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees, and 10 multiplied by 180 degrees will get 1800 degrees. This is the total sum of all angles. So now we want to find each angle. Each angle will be all angles divided by number of angles. It means 12 angles would be there. So let us simplify it. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, and when we multiply, divide it, 150 degree each angle measurement in 12-sided regular polygon. This is all whenever we have to find each angle of regular polygon, first we have to find the total sum of interior angles, then just divide this total sum by number of angles. Hope you understood well. Thank you so much for this video.